Merry Christmas to you, my Clarion's Kitchen lovers. How are you enjoying the festive season? Hope you're having nice time with friends and family. Welcome back to my channel. Today, as a proper Anambra woman, I'm making a correct onugbu soup for a large family of about 30, and for guests that will come visit in this festive period. If you want to know how to make Anambra onugbu soup, this video is for you. Please watch. You will need these few ingredients listed here. I started by washing the beef and the cow head with clean water and salt. And the stockfish and the dry fish, I use hot water and salt to wash them also. After washing the beef, I poured it in a pot and spiced with Uziza seed, salt and grounded pepper and set on fire. I added the stockfish and the dry fish. Went ahead to wash my onugbu and wash the cocoyam too and set on fire to cook. Now the cocoyam has softened and cooked properly. It's time to pound. You remove the back and put it in mortar and pound, making sure there is no lumps while pounding. I cook and pounded the palm fruits or palm nuts, then go in with clean water and squeeze with my fingers in order to extract the juice from the palm nuts. I do this like 2 or 3 times. All my ingredients are set and it's time to serve the firewood, because there is this belief that food cooked with firewood heat tastes differently, and I kid you not, this onugbu soup is the best. I set my pot on fire and go in with my palm nut or palm fruit extract. I sieve it in order to remove lumps or any unwanted particle. I cover it and allow it to cook for some minutes. I go in with the ogiri, salt and pepper, followed by the pounded cocoyam. I put it bit by bit. That helps it to dissolve easily inside the soup. I added the parboiled meat, stockfish and the dry fish, and lastly I added the onugbu, the bitter leaf and sauce. Guys, the best Anambra onugbu soup is ready. Thank you so much for watching this far. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Tell me if you'll be trying this festive season. See you on my next video. Happy holidays and bye.